All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Before any repairs, eliminate and turn off all power to your appliance. Firstly, remove any trays and shelves from your oven. Unclip the current thermostat capillary tube from the rear of your oven cavity. We'll come back to this in a second. Remove your oven from your kitchen unit or recess to gain access to the top of the oven. Then unscrew the screws from the top panel and place the panel to one side. You may need to slightly loosen the two rear screws. Be careful of any sharp edges on your panels. Then remove the screws from the rear panel to gain access to the rear of the oven. Make sure you're removing the thermostat attached to the correct oven. We're removing the one for the top oven marked here in black. Remove the thermostat from the selector switch. Take a photo of the existing wiring layout and unclip the wiring terminals. If they're tight, use a pair of long nose pliers. Unclip the thermostat wire and remove the thermostat from the rear of the oven. With your new top oven thermostat, attach the wires. Use the photo taken earlier to ensure they go in the exact same place as before. Attach your new thermostat to the selector switch. Feed the capillary tube end of the thermostat through the rear and into the top oven cavity. Clip the wire to the top of the oven along with the wire from the bottom oven thermostat as well. Clip the capillary tube of the thermostat to the rear of the top oven cavity. Place any shelves and trays back into the oven. Rescrew the screws for the rear oven panel back in. Then place the top oven panel back on the oven and rescrew the screws back in place. If you had to remove your oven from a recess or a kitchen unit, place it back in and secure it tightly. And that's it, your new top oven thermostat is all set to go.